In today's video, I'll show you how to add Calendly to WordPress step by step. This setup allows visitors to book appointments directly from your WordPress website, improving conversions and making scheduling fully automated. First, sign into your account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, make sure you already have at least one event type created, such as a consultation or meeting, because you'll need its booking link or embed code. Now go to the Event Type section. Select the event you want to add to your WordPress website. Click the Share or Invite option. Here, choose the Embed option. You can select either Inline Embed, calendar appears on the page, or Pop-up Widget, opens when a button is clicked. Copy the embed code provided by Calendly. Now log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to the page or post where you want to display your booking calendar. If you're using the block editor, click the plus icon and add a custom HTML block. Paste the Calendly embed code into that block. Then click Preview to check how it looks. If everything is correct, click Publish or Update to make it live. Now your visitors can book appointments directly from your WordPress site without leaving the page. You can also improve visibility by placing your booking page link in your menu, footer, or call to action buttons. Before finishing, test your page on both desktop and mobile to ensure the scheduling widget loads properly and the booking process works smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully added Calendly to WordPress and created a seamless booking experience for your website visitors. And that's how you add Calendly to WordPress. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.